Are you preparing for Praxis Parapro Assessment 1755, Mathematics Skills and Knowledge, Adding, Subtracting, Multiplying, Dividing, and Multi-Step Word Problems, Multi-Step Operations Practice, and need some extra help preparing for the test? If so, I have a video that is perfect for you. My name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert here at Study.com. I'm a certified teacher, and I will walk you through some of the problems you may see on the test. In this particular video, I will go over understanding which operation to use in a word problem, understanding the remainder with division, and a few problems that deal with order of operations. Don't forget to pause the video and try these on your own. Okay, are you ready? Let's take a look at some questions. The concert this evening will feature 2 string quartets. Which of the following could be used to figure out how many musicians will play in the concert this evening? Is it A, division or subtraction, B, multiplication or addition, C, subtraction or addition, D, multiplication or division? So we have 2 string quartets. Okay, so let's say we had 4 musicians each in each string quartet. So one operation we could use would be multiplication, so we would get 2 times 4, which is 8 total musicians. Okay, the other thing we can do is we know there's 2 sets of 4, so we can just add the 4 musicians from each set to get the same answer. So in this case here, the correct answer would be B, multiplication or addition. What is the remainder when 75 is divided by 9? Is it A3, B5, C2, or D8? All right, so we're going to take 9, we're going to divide it into 75. So 9 goes into 75 8 times. 9 times 8 is 72. So the quotient is 8. And then when we subtract 75 minus 72, we get 3. Now 9 can't go into 3, so that means 3 becomes our remainder. So the answer here would be A. Which of the following could be placed in step 2 to make the expression a true statement? So we start off with 2 minus 5 times the quantity 6 divided by 3 minus 7. Now remember, we're following PEMDAS. So that is the acronym to remember the order of operations. So the first step in PEMDAS would be P for parentheses. So we see 6 divided by 3. So we would get 2 minus 5 times 6 divided by 3 is 2 minus 7. Okay, so that's our first step. All right, step 2. What we want to do is we want to follow PEMDAS again, and we still have our parentheses. So the correct step 2 would be to multiply the 5 by the 2. So we would get 2 minus 10 minus 7. So step 2 would be choice D. A math problem involving the order of operations has both multiplication and division. Which of the following rules determine the order in which the multiplication and division parts of the math problem should be undertaken? Is it A, these operations are solved from right to left? Is it B, multiplication always comes before division? Is it C, these operations are solved from left to right? Or is it D, division always comes before multiplication? All right, so if we follow our rules of PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So one thing students struggle with is that our multiplication and division work together. So sometimes division can come before multiplication because we always have to start left to right. So the correct answer here is these operations are solved from left to right, choice C. Okay, that concludes our video. If you found this video helpful and you would like to see more videos on this topic, please leave us a comment. For more practice, check out our Praxis Parapro Assessment 1755 playlist. For even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. Please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.